if 2 to the power of root x equal to 8, what is the value of x? So we shall be solving this problem with 2 different methods. Alright, so let's use the logarithm rule for method 1. Okay, the logarithm rule, so 2 to x is equal to 8. So if we take the ln of both sides, we would have 2 raised to the power of root x. The ln of both sides, so this will be ln of 8 also. Okay, so let's put 8 in the same form as 2 to the power of root x. So this is power of root x is equal to ln of 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so from logarithm rule, we know that this is the same as root of x, the ln of 2, and this is equal to 3, the ln of 2. So ln 2 can cancel out ln 2, and then we'll have the root of x is equal to 3. So if we square the both sides, this also, square root would cancel with this, and then x 3 raised to the power 2 is the same thing as 3 times 3, and x is equal to 9. Okay, let's see the second method. Let's call this method 2. Okay, so for the method 2, we'll be using the indices rule. So 2 to the power of root of x is equal to 8. So we put 8 in the same form as this to make it easier for us to solve, and so we would have 2 to the power of 3. So we equate the exponents. Root of x is equal to 3. Okay, so if we square the both sides, of course these two can cancel out, and then you have x is equal to 3 times 3, x is equal to 9. Yeah, so which method do you prefer? Put it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more of such amazing videos. Thank you.